cannot believe that we have left Tasmania 1 week already. We left last Saturday. We arrived really late on Saturday, and we stayed at Dingley Caravan Park for 3 nights, catch up with our friends, stock up some of our Asian grocery and snack, and then after that we left to Torquay, and then on Wednesday we start the Great Ocean Grove and stay in Apollo Bay for 1 night, and then making our way to Wollongong. Here at Shipwreck Caravan Park in Wollongong, we stay here for 2 nights, and now we are leaving to South Australia. I am so excited because we have been to Adelaide twice and been once to Kangaroo Island, but we didn't actually go a lot of places in South Australia. So this will be a very exciting trip for us because we will see so many different scenery, meeting new people and seeing different things that we have never seen before. Okay girls, are you excited?
Yes.
Where are we going?
To
South Australia! Yay! We are in Port Fairy right now, and we are going to see the lighthouse in Griffiths Island. This place is actually really beautiful. We have never actually stopped here before, and surprisingly there's a water hole here. I think it's perfect for a girl to go in, and at the moment it's low tide. The water is still and it's really clear. I already seen someone went in for a swim already. To get to the lighthouse, we have to walk on the sand. The sand here is like concrete, so which is really good, and the girls is running around right now. Evie, look at mommy. Look at mommy. It's created by the crab.
Something that just squirts it out like a toothpaste.
Eva, look at mommy.
No.
point of interest for today is Cape Nelson Lighthouse. I am not sure if we have been here before, but I definitely remember we have been to Cape Bridgewater to see the windmill, and I think this place is the only place so far that we have came across that you can actually walk to the windmill and stay right next to, or stand right next to the windmill. Not sure if it actually at the Cape Nelson Lighthouse, or it's somewhere at the windmill on the beach. Not sure. Yeah, I think I remember now. I don't think we have been to this lighthouse, like right underneath the lighthouse, but I remember taking pictures of this lighthouse from a distance, the drive to this lighthouse instead. It's quite beautiful here. It's a bit windy here. Don't think we're gonna send the drone out because yeah, it's quite windy. It's almost blowing the hat away. Okay, the memory is coming back now. We're definitely here at this Cape Bridge Windmill Farm blowhole, because this is where we can see the windmill very up close, and probably, I'm not sure, might be able to touch it. It's a bit windy here. We want to use the drone, but the gimbal got stuck. Not sure why. It could be dusty or whatever it is. We tried to Justin tried to fix it, but it didn't work, so not sure. We need to find out how to fix the drone after. visit into South Australia. We are currently staying at Brown Beach. I don't know why it's called Brown Beach when the sand is pretty white to me. And it was like really freezing cold outside. It's like the wind is constantly blowing, and Justin and I are in the car at the moment watching sunset, and the sunset is so beautiful. Oh yeah, we were so surprised that we passed the border today and there's no border control, so we just drive straight through without any stopping. Both Evie and Eva are asleep in the car. So Justin didn't stop for us to take picture of the border of South Australia, because I was really want to take the pictures of the family in front of the sign, but yeah, well, too late now. We only here for one night. We want to camp at the beach. Unfortunately, we came a bit too late, so all the spots are taken. Lucky here at the parking lot, they are allow you to camp overnight. But yeah, it's only for one night. So tomorrow we are going somewhere else. Are you excited, baby? We are finally in South Australia. What do you expect to see?
New stuff.
New stuff. Yeah, it's gonna be a new chapter for us. Because we haven't seen so many things in South Australia. It will be very exciting. Are we gonna go back to Kangaroo Island? Okay, so we are going back to Kangaroo Island. We haven't been there, I'd say, like at least about 10 years. So yeah, it will be exciting to see Kangaroo Island again after the bushfire from like almost 2 years ago. All right, we will just call it a night. The sun is almost down now. I think the sky gonna be
It's already pink.
wow, yeah, the color of the sunset reflected on our face and make our face look so red, but I see my face looks so pale. I don't know why.
My
Justin
forehead
said
is so red.
no,
I look like I have a bump on my forehead.
yeah, it's just the sun. Anyway, have a look at this beautiful sunset right now.